Classic muscle car enthusiasts and modern performance fans alike are in for a treat with the unveiling of this incredible Chevy Chevelle Restomod. This stunning build takes the beloved 1960s Chevy Chevelle and reimagines it for the 21st century, combining vintage style with next-gen performance technology. Under the hood, this Restomod packs a monster twin-turbo V8 engine, blending classic muscle car charm with modern performance enhancements in a way that's sure to excite any car lover. The Chevy Chevelle, first introduced in the 1960s, was one of the most iconic muscle cars of its era. Known for its powerful engines and aggressive styling, the Chevelle earned a loyal following that continues to this day. However, with advancements in automotive technology over the past few decades, modernizing a classic like the Chevelle while maintaining its timeless appeal has been a challenge. But this latest Restomod project does exactly that, taking the Chevelle into the future while retaining the raw power and aggressive stance that made it so legendary. At the heart of this Chevelle Restomod is a twin-turbo V8 engine. This modern powerplant is a far cry from the naturally aspirated V8s that the original Chevelle was known for. With twin turbochargers, the engine is capable of producing eye-watering horsepower figures, giving this muscle car a level of performance that far exceeds anything the original car could have dreamed of. The result is a car that's not just about looks, it's a high-performance powerhouse, capable of competing with some of the most advanced sports cars on the market today. This twin-turbo V8 engine is paired with a modern transmission system that ensures smooth shifting and maximum acceleration. The addition of advanced suspension components and braking technology makes the Restomod not just faster, but also more manageable and safer than its classic counterpart. The upgraded suspension allows for better handling and stability, especially when cornering at high speeds or navigating challenging road conditions. Meanwhile, high-performance brakes give the car the stopping power it needs to keep pace with its massive engine output. Visually, the Chevy Chevelle Restomod retains much of the classic aesthetic that made the original model such a fan favorite, but with some subtle yet significant updates. The exterior paint shines with a sleek, modern finish that adds depth to the car's iconic lines. The Restomod also features custom bodywork, with enhancements that improve aerodynamics and give the car a more aggressive stance. The wide tires and low, muscular profile ensure that the car looks as powerful as it drives. Inside, the cabin is where the blend of old and new truly comes to life. While the classic styling cues have been maintained, the interior has been equipped with state-of-the-art technology. A modern digital dashboard, for example, replaces the analog gauges of the original car, offering real-time performance metrics like boost pressure, fuel efficiency, and engine temperature. The upgraded infotainment system integrates seamlessly with the interior design, ensuring that drivers have access to the latest tech without sacrificing the nostalgic feel of a muscle car. What really sets this Chevy Chevelle Restomod apart, however, is the attention to detail. Every aspect of the build, from the engine bay to the exhaust system, has been meticulously crafted to ensure both performance and style. The Restomod combines the muscle car spirit of the past with the precision engineering of the present, creating a car that's not just a tribute to the past, but a serious contender in the modern performance car world. Whether you're a die-hard Chevelle fan or a lover of high-performance Restomods, this twin-turbo-powered masterpiece is sure to impress. The fusion of classic muscle car aesthetics with cutting-edge technology makes this build a true standout in the world of custom cars. It's a perfect example of how modern engineering can enhance the raw power and beauty of vintage cars while maintaining the spirit that made them iconic.